Good morning, Soul Squad. It is about 10:30 a.m. Monday morning, and me and Andrew's on our way to Walmart just to pick up a few things. We're going to get some household supplies. I'm going to use some of these coupons that Miss Deborah sent me. Thank you, Miss Deborah. We're going to the grocery store. I'm actually going to pick up the food for the videos that I'm doing this week. It's coming up Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I got a surprise for you guys on, I guess, Friday. It's going to go up Friday. I'm not sure how we're going to do it. What else? We on our way to Walmart in Northeast DC. So we see you guys when we get to the Walmart. I'm out. So how you and D channel going?
It's going good so far.
Well, I told everybody about the challenge I did with you guys, and tell them go check out his channel. Hey guys, go check out Drew&Dee. All together, Drew&Dee with the number, with the letter symbol, Drew&Dee.
The and symbol.
With the who symbol?
The and. It's not A-N-D. It's the symbol and.
Oh, it's the symbol and. And guys, well, I didn't tell you before, since you two got this new policy and stuff, I'm really trying to get their channel up to 1,000 subscribers so they can get montage. Guys, please help us out. Help get Drew&Dee up to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. That would be so awesome. Ooh, I gotta get this light.
That's good, SoulfulT. Your ass is glued to the road.
I was like, yeah, I almost missed that light. Yes, yeah, let's get Drew&Dee up to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yeah, so we're on our way to Walmart. Anybody know where we at in DC when you see these? Boring them with this, with my non-driving skills. I don't drive that often, but it's like a bicycle. Once you learn, you never forget. Down in the tunnel we go. They got to find a parking space. I hope everybody, you would think
it could be bandits down here. Y'all just cut her off. I'm taking over the vlog. It could be bandits down here, but hey, let's take this risk. I'm here with SoulfulT.
You would think people, why ain't nobody at work? Why? It's cars and people everywhere. The same reason why I'm not at work. Well, I am at work right now because I'm vlogging. It's a job for me. I just say that all the time when I go out shopping somewhere and it be so much traffic and you try to go during a certain time of day and it be like, where all these people come from? People ain't got no jobs. Ain't nobody going to work. We used to say stuff like that. Now my job is to find a parking space. I can't get a handicap spot because I'm not with Tia. Because we with Tia, she got her handicap sticker. It be on. The bell is ringing. I took my seatbelt off because I need to see. So I almost parked in the handicap spot. And I need to find a non-handicap spot. Ooh, he's scared me. Grocery list for the week. I don't count everything on here. Half of it is household supplies. Certain things for my granddaughter, both the granddaughters. Oh, why Why are you so close?
Sorry.
So let's get started. So I need some parsley, and this is cilantro. So
Parsley right here. Say curly.
oh, there you go there. That's cilantro. Okay. Thank you. Curly parsley. That's beets. Okay. That's the bone or the sorrel leaf. That's the honey roasted turkey. Can I get a pound and a half of the honey roasted turkey sorrel leaf? And do y'all have any pastrami turkeys?
All right, tell them what we looking for.
Looking for a Walmart brand of chicken breasts and chicken strips and stuff.
You want to hear a joke?
What's the joke?
Knock knock.
Who's it?
The soul.
The who?
The soul.
The soul?
The soul.
The soul?
Yes, the soul.
What? Okay.
Supposed to say the soul who?
Oh, the soul who?
The Soul Squad. Yeah.
Man, I'm not playing with you. Cut that here.
I guess this is like the frozen food aisle.
Yeah, this is a section I want right here. They got chicken strips.
You should get the
Here
strips.
they go right here. There they go right here. These
Oh.
chicken patty fillets right here.
Okay.
Oh. See,
Yeah, I did not see that.
these chicken patty fillets, great value. They're only $6.98. You see the way they look? They better than the regular chicken patties. They're thicker, they're more meatier, and the family love them. I don't have to cook, and they make them up like McDonald's patties. That's what I was looking for.
All right, well, when we get to our next destination, we'll be right back. All right, right now we're looking for the jelly. You got the peanut butter, right?
Yeah, I got the peanut butter.
All right. Well, Smuckers say jam, say strawberry jam. None of them say jelly. They say strawberry spread, and this about Welch's.
Here you go, some Smuckers right here. Strawberry jelly.
I say jam,
Oh,
and they don't even say strawberry.
what that's that?
Red plum. They got blueberry jam down there.
You don't want jam. He said because of jam.
Well, the jam is all they got. What's this? All the way at the top.
What is that?
Oh, see, this say cherry preserves or something like that. Preserves.
But I keep telling Joshua.
Just get this,
red
man.
plum.
Just get Smucker's strawberry jam. And you got the peanut butter, right?
Yeah, they ain't got now. He want jelly. They don't even like to have jelly here. That's all they got. It's all jam. Okay. I gotta get 7 Up.
This is for Sahara.
I gotta
She want a
make
snack or something.
I got an order for a 7 Up cake, so I need a 7 Up. And I don't see like a 2-liter 7 Up. So I guess I gotta buy a 6-pack of 7 Up. I can use this right here. Cause if I had soda in my house, I don't buy soda. And so I gotta
barely
make
drink
a 7.
soda.
Yeah, we don't really drink soda, but I gotta make a 7 Up cake. But I don't see like a 2-liter 7 Up. So I'm gonna buy this. I'm buying it small. No temptations of sodas in the house. Okay. Let's get some. I gotta get cake flour. So guys, what we gotta get? We gotta get I gotta get chicken broth, beef broth, cake flour, butter, flour, milk. Let's go back. I guess let's go this way. Pudding packs, cake flour.
All right, right now we gotta find this vegan mayonnaise. You said which one you want? Vegan
It's
and
Kraft.
Kraft?
It's a small thing of Kraft.
Alright.
For y'all.
You said small one?
Yeah. Which one you get? What flavor? And we need some mayonnaise. This is I don't need it right now. I don't think there's anything else in this aisle that I need. Oh yeah, I need the artichokes. Let's go down here. Everything is pickled. I gotta go to a Whole Foods store or something like that. And I need my broth.
Oh yeah, chicken broth.
Chicken broth, beef broth. I most definitely need that in my video. There you go right there. There you go right there. There you go right there.
Chicken broth.
That's chicken
What's
broth?
bone broth?
Organic.
Chicken broth.
And 1 beef broth at the bottom.
Oh. All right, what next?
I need some marinated artichokes. So, they got pickles.
Still no pickles.
I think we almost finished. We gotta get the eggs, the cheese. I got some lunch meat. We already got bread in the house. Yeah, I'm just looking for some marinated artichokes. Andrew, focus, pay attention.
I was reading something.
I don't think we're gonna follow it here. I got, a lot of stuff is gonna have to order. Okay, we don't need that. I'm ordering offline. I'll tell you, this is one of the reasons why I don't go in the store anymore. It's like, it's so hard. Oh, we need ketchup. Y'all need ketchup. For y'all fries.
We need ketchup?
Yep, for y'all fries.
Which one? Which one?
I don't know, I only like Heinz ketchup.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got the Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard. If it ain't Sweet Baby Ray's, it ain't honey mustard. So y'all know.
Okay. Oh, these are sausages over here. I got coupons and sausages. Well, the coupons that I have are for Bob Evans, and I don't see any. So, go with the Vermont maple, right there.
You said
No
Vermont
more.
maple?
Here goes right here.
You said which one?
I'm gonna go with these ones right here.
Which one?
Right here.
Oh,
So
Vermont.
I get 2 packs. So I won't be using those coupons today. Okay, all that we got getting now is, let's see, household supplies. We need soap, powder, bleach, detergent, trash bags, tissue, deodorant, and toothpaste, and some Towelex. And I gotta get my cake flour, lemon extract, the baby's milk, and some pineapples.
So we'll catch y'all when we get to the next thing, Soul Squad.
I don't want to make this video too long, guys, so you know everything I gotta get. You see what we doing in here. We're at the store grocery shopping. I'm gonna come back with you guys, take you out at the cash register. Let's see if I go over budget. My baby use Parent Choice soy. They never have it. So I won't be getting the milk for my baby because they don't have it. Parent Choice soy. I guess we have to order some offline. Guess what, Soul Squad? I found my baby's milk. My youngest grandbaby drinks this. Okay. Can you guys tell me what not? I went over 100. I know I went over $150. It's all good though. Family have to eat. So we don't need, look. Andrew had a moment. Monster House, $3.50, 74 cents. He had a moment, so he threw this in the cart. So yeah, we're gonna put everything up on the belts. They still call them belts, and we're gonna see what it come up to. I'm gonna let you guys see too exactly what I spent.
Ain't no room, so. Dang.
I know that's pasta.
Mom, there's no room.
Yeah, we do. So I got some over here on top of my eggs. around this way. You need to go this way. You ready? Oh, guys. Oh, I got these heavies too.
I'm gonna try and make this work.
All right, put it around.
Nothing else?
Let's see how much.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. $311.
I told you that.
Oh my God.
You ain't stay nowhere near the budget.
I got $250 in cash, and I gotta use the rest of my credit card. Wow. What the heck did I buy?
You ain't stay nowhere near it.
Y'all had the chip.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so wrong. That's so wrong.
That's funny.
It's a card problem. Please remove the card. Do it again.
You keep your card in there.
Okay. Oh, would you like cash back? No. Oh, boy.
I'm not
Oh.
Okay. You stay nowhere near your budget though. That's crazy.
60, yeah, I went over like a mug. But I ain't buy nothing. I swear, oh my God, food is high. Okay, so Squad, look what I did. We are out. I went over like a mug, but it's all good. Make sure you got all my bags.
Alright. Do I?
Yeah. Make sure you got everything. Good. Thank you. You too. So
Son, you how you go $311?
$311.
Yeah.
I ain't get nothing. Y'all.
She's salty on camera.
I'm salty. Yes. I didn't get anything. And I haven't really did any major grocery shopping today. Okay. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be making this video. Fried pork chops, roasted Parmesan cheese, corn on the cob, and dirty rice. Until next time, Soul Squad, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.